Hey everybody, Jeremy with Paragon Performance. It's New Products August and we have new swag. First up is the Verus Engineering rear diffuser. This diffuser was designed by Verus and Paragon using 3D scan data of our exterior vehicle and then also the underside for packaging constraints. This diffuser is designed to make real downforce. It creates almost 30 pounds of downforce at, I believe, 100 miles an hour. And works in conjunction with their canard package. That's a single plane or a dual plane canard package. Together these are designed to make that downforce on track. There is more coming from Verus and Paragon on this. There's a wing in works and barge boards and a front splitter. So be on the lookout for those, but right now you can grab a diffuser and get that on your car and head to the track. Sticking with the exterior of the car, we are moving on to some body kits here. This is a lip package designed by Maxton. We started this project a little over a year ago with Maxton, which is based over in Europe. And this is an ABS plastic kit. It's super sturdy. The front lip is pretty much unbreakable. I was really surprised by how big and beefy it was. This kit is going to be very affordable. I think we're coming in at $7.99 for all three pieces. So you're getting front lip, side skirts, and a little rear diffuser piece. The rear diffuser piece is not functional, just like the Verus one we talked about, which is a functional diffuser. This is not a functional diffuser, it's more of just a looks item. Both of these are gonna be available here in early October. You're looking at the Maxton kit here is the version 1. It's a very simple kit, a lip, simple sides, simple rear diffuser. And then we have an exclusive design that's by us where we've got some winglets on the side skirts, winglets on the front lip, and winglets on the rear diffuser. Both of these are easy install. They're going to use OEM hardware. They're going to come with hardware for the rear, come with hardware for the sides, as well as 3M tape. Carbon flash will become an option down the line, but right now it is just the gloss ABS plastic that's available. While we're talking about lips, we're going to circle back to our carbon fiber OEM Z51 replica that we have. These are in stock. Small quantities are still available on this shipment. It's a one-piece design. Super easy install. You unbolt your factory Z51 lip and then you start on the left-hand side or the right side and you start bolting the new one on. It's an easy way to add some carbon fiber and a classy look to your car and get rid of that boring rubber plastic that's there from the factory. And now we have our first lighting item. This is the first one we've ever had that we actually approve of. It's the Oracle LED light bar. So your daytime running lights, this will help change those to different colors. This is going to be coming out mid to late August. We've got, I think, almost 100 units on order, so we'll have a bunch for you guys when they're ready to go. It's a cool way to take your DRL and change it to orange, yellow, blue, red, green, purple, whatever color you want. So if you like to go cruising at night, you can have a color that's not illegal in your state, so make sure you check that out. Or if you do car shows in the evening, it's a great way to make your vehicle stand out from everybody else's. They're super affordable. One option is a Bluetooth controller with your phone, so you can change your lighting, or they have an RF controller that you can attach to your key and have on your keychain. Super simple, easy install. We are going to have an install video coming out later this month on that, so we will walk you through that entire process, so you won't be alone installing that. But give it a look, get on the pre-order if you think it's something you're going to want, because I have a feeling these are going to go fast. Moving to the performance side of things, we have the MBRP exhaust. This exhaust just came out. It's only available with carbon fiber tips. It is a 3-inch system throughout. They use a stamped X-pipe, which is helping save some money here. It's one of the cheapest exhaust systems out there. There's nothing wrong with that. They do have a lifetime warranty on it, so you really can't go wrong. They do not have valve control and they do not have any simulators. So if you have a Z51 car, you're going to need to get simulators or figure out that as well as far as your valves go for your AFM and your NPP. All right, so let's hear it. Lastly, for the C8, we have 3 items from Stainless Works. These guys make exhaust products, and for the C8, they have an exhaust, they have a set of headers, and they have a set of cats. Their exhaust system is valved. So it's a little up there in price point. They also have a lifetime warranty, and I believe only black tips are available on this right now. Their headers look to be fairly decent. Now, if you start looking at their headers and cats thing, the price point comes way down. And there are some quality issues there, but the price point matches those quality issues. So you're looking at weld quality there is maybe a little less than expected. They don't come with gaskets, they come with some RTV-like gasket things to make your gaskets with. But again, if your budget is on the lower side of things, probably can't go wrong. They do have a lifetime warranty. So take a look at those, check them out on the website. We do have some in stock, and that's from Stainless Works. Now we're going to dive into the C7. So C7 is something we wanted to do for a while. We did eventually pick up a Grand Sport 2 months ago now almost, and we are working on some tuning solutions for that. Be on the lookout for that. But right now we have C7 taillights that we've been working on for almost a year. These just came in the other day. We have 7 different color variations. They have a sequential turn signal, different colors for your running lights, can be white, red, lenses in smoked, clear, all kinds of different options. And these are available, they're in stock. They have a 1-year warranty and available now. So give those a look and be on the lookout for more C7 parts from us. As we end new products August, we're gonna follow up. We have our front grill guards. These have been super popular. We appreciate everybody who's waited and ordered these and are enjoying them. We're the only ones that bolt in. We now have several hundred of these in stock. We have dealers buying them in large quantities and installing them on new cars. We are working with GM for official licensing on this product. So be on the lookout for that. That's gonna be a super cool deal. And they are in stock, so don't let your condenser take a rock and leave you stranded on the side of the road. So we'll see you next month in September. Have a good one. I'm an otter.